welcome back to the channel. First of all, apologies, videos have been a bit scarce recently. Video wise, there hasn't been a great deal going on to actually video, and I don't want to put a video out just for the sake of putting a video out. As you know, I've been working behind the scenes, working on the Triumph, working on the Z650, update on the Triumph. I've gone back through a lot of things. I've checked all the timing, make sure that's alright, the electronic ignition, checked some of the wiring. I had a bit of a problem with some of the wiring because obviously it's a positive earth and a few wires actually started to melt, so I've had to cut them out and replace some of the wiring. It is old original wiring. Regards to starting, again, it's been a slow process. I'll show you a clip of, this was actually filmed yesterday, so I'll show you a clip of that now. This is basically where I'm up to, and if anybody's got any advice on it, what am I missing? I've gone through a lot of things. I've had the carb out, I've checked the manifold, I've checked the plugs, I've checked the leads, I've checked the wiring, I've got spark. Fuel doesn't seem to be getting through into the engine, which is why I went back and double checked the timing. The timing on the disc seems to be correct. Maybe I've missed something, but here's the clip of what I shot yesterday. Doesn't seem to be drawing fuel into the engine. I've had the carb out. Float needle is actually in the bottom of the carb. So I've cleaned all that out, put it all back together. plugs do smell wet. There is obviously something getting through. This doesn't seem to be a lot. And now it's back to nothing. Right. So as you can see by the clip, I did try a lot of things. It did actually start twice briefly. Actually, it actually started 4 times. Unfortunately, I didn't have the camera rolling for the first 2 times. But again, it was no longer than 3-4 seconds of actual running. So I know that things are close. But what am I missing? I know it's just confusing me. As I say, I mean, Triumph is a brand new entity to me. But the actual system of the fuel should be is the same, obviously, as any other bike, apart from my bikes that don't seem to want to work. But like I say, it did fire up. Didn't last very long. I managed to get it going again, but as I say, earlier on during yesterday, it did the same thing. I had it running for 3-4 seconds. I think 5 was the tops, but unfortunately I had no camera. But any feedback, I'd really appreciate it. There's a link up in the corner to the actual playlist of the Triumph, which takes you from basically how I started it, where the bike came from, and the build process throughout the whole engine. Everything was in boxes, in bits. So as I say, that's up in the top corner. I appreciate all your feedback. Any comments in the comments box below. I know the first person who's going to talk to me, and I apologise to him that I haven't spoken to you for some time. It's been a lot going on. But that's where I'm at basically at the moment with the Triumph. It's edging slowly closer. As I say, I apologise there hasn't been a video out on the Triumph for some time, but it has just been a slow, tedious process of just going through, eliminating, checking, double checking, which I really didn't feel warranted a video. But like I say, that's where I'm at the moment, so I'll keep plugging away. It is a constant. I want to get this finished for Pippa and Ian, but I want to make sure it's right. It's close. It really is. To fire, what was brilliant, even if it was for a short period of time. As always, there's links to other videos at the end of the video. I really appreciate all your support, all the likes, all the follows, the subscribers, the non-subscribers, everybody that watches the videos. Please help the channel, drop a like, subscribe. It really makes a difference to me, and I really appreciate it. I can't say that enough. Again, thanks very much. I'll see you again next time. Cheers. Bye.